Good morning, ma'am. I can't hear. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, beta. All right. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I am your English teacher. I'm your English teacher, Shruti ma'am. You all know me?
Yes.
Yes. When I ask you something and you want to say yes, just show me your thumb like this. All right. Then I will come to know. All right. May I know who's just entered with 1 plus 60? What's your name, beta? What's your name? Hi. What's your name? Harshit. Harshit, next time please enter with your name, okay? Sahib, Japji, Prabhanoop, Shashi, Yash, no one. All right. Soham, I have marked you present. Your name is visible, so I've marked you present. All right, students, I welcome you all. This is your English period now. Are you all having your pencils and notebook ready? Yes? Your pencils and notebook is ready? Show me your thumb if you say yes. Very good. Smart class. All right. What is a noun? What is a noun? You tell me. Name, place, animal, thing. Very good, Soham. Samrin, your turn. Wait. I can't hear you.
Now, the person, place, animal, thing.
Very good. Are called nouns. Very good. Now, what are those words called that we use in place of nouns? Now I want someone else to answer. Raise your hand. I'll unmute you. Who wants to answer? What are those words called which are used in place of nouns? Yes, Tejas wants to answer. Yes, Tejas.
Pronouns.
Pronouns. So, all of you know what are pronouns?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me your thumb. Yes? Oh, wow. Now, should we start with our topic? Today's topic is pronouns. I'll be showing you PPT and then we'll be doing one exercise. All right. Ready?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to show you my screen now. Can you all see this PPT?
Yes.
Yes. So today's topic is pronouns. Now read the first sentence in your mind, all of you. Pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. What is this picture of?
Boy.
Boy. Now let's read what I've written for this boy. Rahul is late. Read this sentence in your mind, all of you. Rahul is late. In your mind, beta. Rahul is late for school. He is running, catch his bus. So which pronoun have I used here?
He.
He. So that means he is used for which thing? Boy or a girl?
Boy.
Boy. Very good. For how many boys? One boy or many boys?
One.
One boy. Now let's see the next picture. What is this picture of?
Girl.
Girl. Now let's see. What is she doing? What is she doing?
Kicking the ball.
She's playing with the... Vinita is playing with the ball. She is a good football player. Which pronoun have I used here?
She.
She. So that means she is used for one girl or many girls?
One.
One. Now let's see the next picture. What is this picture of?
Many girls.
Many girls. Or something else which you can say? There are many boys. Children. Who said children? Excellent. Smart class. The children are dancing. They are enjoying. Which pronoun have I used here?
They.
Yes, Samreen. Which pronoun have I used here?
They.
They. And what is the noun here that I have used the pronoun for?
Children.
What is the noun here?
Children.
Daksh, wake up. Stop yawning.
Children.
What is this picture of?
Boy. Boys.
Boy?
Boy and girl.
Boy and a girl. What are they doing?
Playing with a ball.
They are playing with the ball. Very good. Now let's see what I have written. I love to play with my friend. We are playing with a
Ball.
ball. I means when you're talking about yourself. Like Daksh can say, I am playing with the ball. And he can say to Narinder that we are playing with the ball. Yes? When two people are playing and you are also included, then you can use the word. Which pronoun can you use?
I.
Soham? Which pronoun? We.
I.
What is this picture of?
Boy and a girl.
Boy and a girl. What do you think they are? Where are they going?
In the school.
Oh, school. How do you know they're going to a school?
Because they have a bag.
Yes. Yes, because they have a bag. Are you all eager to come to school?
Yes.
Yes. Excited? Pius is very excited. Yes, Pius? Alright. Mahi and Ali are friends. They study in the same school. Everyone likes them. Now they is used for how many people here?
Many.
Many. How many people are there in the sentence?
Two.
Name them.
Ali and Mahi.
Ali and Mahi. Yes. Now we can say that Tamreen and Pius are friends. They study in the same school. Everyone likes them. That means we are talking about two people. Any confusion?
No.
No confusion in smart children. Can we do the exercise now?
Yes.
Yes. Be ready with your pencils and notebook. Can you all see this picture now?
Yes.
Yes. Now I will be giving you 4 sentences. You will not speak the answer. You will quickly write the answers in your notebook. Remember to use the word pronouns. Fill in the blanks, suitable pronouns by looking at the picture. First, dash are studying.
Children.
No one is going to speak the answer. And dear children, use pronouns. Use pronouns. Don't speak the answer. Don't speak the answer. Dash is teaching. Soham, are you writing the answer? Dash is teaching. Third, the boy in the green t-shirt is raising his hand. Dash is my friend. I am sitting with my friend. Dash are studying. Quickly write the answers. Don't speak the answers. Write the answers in your notebook. May I know who's just entered with the name Paramjeet Singh? Prabhanoop. Prabhanoop, next time better enter with your name. Are you writing the answers, Prabhanoop? Prabhanoop, are you writing the answers? Quick, quick, quick. I'm waiting for your answers now.
Ma'am, I have done.
You've done? Just keep your answers with you. I will show you the answers. Let everyone do it. Prabhanoop, are you writing? Pages done?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Nimrit done? Good.
The green tea is raising and
Raninder, are you done? Written the answers?
he is my
Yes, ma'am.
his
Good.
hand is my
Mannat, where are you roaming?
with my friend Dasha studying was
Should we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Have you all done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
1 minute. 1 minute. I'll show you again. Done? Should we discuss?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Another minute.
Studying.
The boy in the green.
All right. Should I show you the answers? Everyone done?
No.
Okay. All right. I'm showing the answers. I'm showing the answers. Check your answers. Ready?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Check your answers. They are all correct. Give yourself a star. Quick. They are studying. She is teaching. The boy in the green t-shirt is raising his hand. He is my friend. I am sitting with my friend. We are studying. The answers? Have you all checked the answers? Yes. No, only answers. Have you all checked your answers?
Yes.
How many of you got all the answers, all 4 answers correct? Show me your thumb. Show me, quick. Very good. Arnav, Samreen, Savijot, Tejas, Raninder, Nimrit, what about you? All correct? Good. Is there any doubt in this topic now? Beta, who has entered kids? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Harshit, sit properly. All right. Any doubt in this topic?
No.
Now, let me ask you. All right. I am going to show you your homework for today. All right.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. Okay, ma'am.
See, can you all see chapter 13 pronouns?
Yes.
I have already discussed with you what is a pronoun, and in place of a boy, what do we use?
He.
For one girl?
He.
For many girls?
Men.
Hey.
Children.
Children is a noun, Manas. All right. For non-living things?
Non-living things.
Non-living things, what do we use? It. And for baby, for a baby. For a baby we use it. For a baby, when we don't know that it's a boy baby or a girl baby, we use the pronoun it. Now, let's see our question number 1. Underline the pronouns in the following sentences. You don't have to copy any sentence. You just have to see it right now. I am not feeling well. Which word will you underline? Pronoun. Which pronoun will you? I. They were talking to each other. They. We went to grandma's house to visit her. Only we. No other pronoun.
Ma'am, I'm still on these questions. What do you say they are studying once?
Who? Please tell me your name. Tell me your name. Mannat. I will send you that again. You just listen to me about the homework first. You understand it, okay?
Okay.
Good. Now in question number 8. Have you all understood how to underline?
Yes.
Yes. All right. There are 10 sentences for this. Second question. B part. Use pronouns in place of the words in bold. Varun is a good boy. Varun is my friend. Which pronoun will you use in place of Varun? He. Very good. Why he?
Because he's a boy. Because he is boy.
Excellent. Sonia is my friend. Sonia is reading a book.
He.
Huh? He or she? She. Because Sonia is a
girl.
Now let's do the 10th one. The baby is laughing. The baby is happy. Which pronoun will you use here? Soham, are you listening? It. All right. Now class 3, listen to me very carefully. I will be sending you this worksheet and the PPT which I have shown you in your WhatsApp group. You will go through the PPT again. You will go through the worksheet and you can either take the printout or if you have a book, you can do it in the book also. It is not compulsory. You can write sentences in any notebook also and do it. All right? Is there any doubt in any question or in anything? Show me your thumb if there is no doubt. If there is any doubt, raise your hand. I will ask you. No doubt? Daksh, any doubt? No. Swaran? All right. Mannat?
No.
No. Beta, I will send you all the things in the WhatsApp group. Go through it. Tamrin, you have a doubt? Yes, please tell me.
Ma'am, I have
You have a book? You can do in the book also.
Ma'am, I've got classmate one. English books. I've got this one.
Which one? Okay, you can do in this also. I will send you.
Has lot of subjects in a book.
Okay, so you will be doing it. Is there any doubt in the topic pronouns now?
And I have this book. Ma'am, can I do it in a notebook?
Yes, you can do it in any notebook. You can do it in any notebook. Arnav is here. Abhijot, Japji, Gur Sahib, Sashi and Yash. No one is here?
No.
Okay. So, are you all reading the newspaper?
Yes.
Yes. How many of you are reading? Raise your hand. Very good, very good. Arshlin, you are not reading.
Watching news.
You're watching the news, but the newspaper which your teacher is sending, are you reading that? You should,
Teacher?
dear.
I
Yes.
just only read a newspaper what my mama papa reads.
Oh, very good. So you are reading the newspaper. That's good. Are you all reading storybooks?
Yes. I've got my old storybook.
How many of you read? Guys, you're not reading? No, Samrin is also not reading. Daksh is also not reading. Savijot is reading. Savijot, which book are you reading? All right, students. I will be sending the worksheet. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, you too.
Thank you.